As the world tries to combat climate change, common mechanisms have emerged to help nations achieve the UN's Sustainability Development Goals. But as countries implement these common mechanisms, are they fostering the same types of sustainability? By analyzing data from over 8,000 carbon offset projects across 92 countries, researchers found that host countries approved projects associated with different social, environmental, and economic results despite functioning under the same regulatory mechanisms as other countries. As part of market-based approaches to achieving sustainable outcomes, a carbon offset occurs when an organization in a developed country tries to offset its CO2 emissions by funding a carbon-negative project, such as the creation of a wind farm, in a less developed nation. The project also may provide other social, environmental, and economic sustainability benefits. However, a host country's sustainability institutions and the ministerial offices in which sustainability assessments are made affect preferences for different types of carbon offset projects, promoting different configurations of sustainability results from country to country. Therefore, common regulatory mechanisms such as the Kyoto Protocol's Clean Development Mechanism and its successor, the Paris Agreement's Sustainable Development Mechanism, give reason for optimism, but are not likely to produce uniform sustainability results. Wonder how evenly climate change mechanisms promote different types of sustainability across nations? If so, you may want to read this paper.